Whoa!
I can hear that cloud coming from a mile away.
Now,
We can go out in the middle,
Alright.
the safe zone, the little square, diamond, whatever.
so I stopped in the diamond.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
you can't block the lane behind us. That's it. Now you look for pedestrians.
Ooh, baby.
So stop. See how they're nearly looking?
Yeah.
See, regardless.
Pushing a baby out the road.
Yep. So wait till they're completely clear.
Yeah.
Now you can ease out. All right. Trains, that's it. We don't have to pause,
Yep.
we don't have to brake, slow down.
It's just a genuine look.
That's it, yeah. The orange lines on that crossing you might know, but we can't park on there.
Yep.
So as you're approaching, you look across and there's generally enough room for 2 vehicles on the other side.
Yep.
So we come into a 40 zone now, so I'd suggest stay in third, don't go any higher than 35.
Yep.
Be mindful, people will suck you in. They'll be speeding doing 42, 45.
Yep.
And then we're just looking for any traffic. Any intersections, if you're trying to get through or whatever, and just clutch in a stop. We've got plenty of time to see that. That's it. And just go back, yeah, you got the clutch, that's good. Really good. Yeah, that guy cut you off. You're well and truly up to the roundabout. You look at the speedo, are you?
No, that light there distracted me.
Alright, any side roads if you can. That was really dangerous, wasn't it?
Wait, what did you say, sir?
They'll expect us to look for side
Oh,
streets.
okay.
Alright, so we're going to hop in the left lane. That's it, ease your clutch right out. See, we're just, so you can stay in gear 2. See, there's no traffic.
Okay.
Let your clutch out, indicator off. Yep, no, sorry, just turn your indicator off, sorry mate. Because we were indicating that
sorry,
way,
yeah.
so that car would have thought we were turning.
Yep.
First ride.
The corner thingy here.
Just, yeah, where that white car went there. That's it. Straight across the
Straight across?
That's it, yep. Well done, there you go. Into first. Excellent. Good reaction time, well done. Terrible, aren't they? You breathing?
Yeah, well, I thought she was going to stop and then she didn't.
Yeah. Nice and straight. And now keep on looking really quick. All clear. Yep, go straight across. And now full lock for me. Go back down that road. Shoulder checking that there's no cyclists or any skateboarders, or could be a vehicle in our blind spot somehow. Well done.
No,
I'll put my hand up if there's pressure in you. Alright.
I haven't even used that back mirror. It was this truck in front.
See how this guy come across and
Yep, cut me off.
yeah. Stay in gear 2, hand on the wheel, that's it. Good job. No need for that at all. Just, yeah. Alright, gently, that's it. Yeah, we're going to go into the right lane. So indicate, shoulder check, and slowly come across. If there's no one letting you in, if it's not a safe gap, you're going to have to keep on travelling until there is.
Alright.
We got right away, mate. You're right. Oh, that's okay. Alright, that's okay. Off we go, off we go. Yeah, he's way. There's a good way. So yeah, any of those hills or just in general, that type of thing, and off we go. Okay, we're going.
Huh?